Coming up in Primetime Sports Wednesday, former national and Caribbean cycling champion back home after being deported from Trinidad and Tobago. Frog Holmes in search of Contender Series semi-final spot tonight, and Usain Bolt declares himself fit for Friday's meet in Ostrava. Good evening, I am Jermaine Brown, and the details of these and more when we return.